Oh. Oh.
Oh, diyan kayo. Dito na siya.
Oh. James, wala kang kutsi?
Ikaw, dun ka sa labas. Ay, sa
Isa pa
labas.
dito, isa pa dito.
Dito ka sa harap.
Isa pa dito. Silita.
Si Georgia, ha? Chloe.
Ay, may ano na to, no? Kung saan ko, location. Ha?
Korean yung driving.
Korean ba?
Hmm?
Hindi, Pilipino.
Akala ko babae.
한국 사람이에요. 한국 사람이에요.
Pilipino?
Korean.
Ah,
Koreano.
I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know. How are you? How are you?
Yeah, 좋아요, good.
Do you speak English, sir?
조금 a little, yeah, a little.
A
A
little bit.
little.
So how long have you been here?
3 years here.
3 years.
Philippines?
Ah.
Wow, you like Philippines?
I like a Filipino
Yes,
people.
Philippines is a very nice
Yeah,
place.
good, yeah.
And also the people here are very nice also.
Very
Right?
friendly people.
The
Yes,
place
friendly.
you also
You follow the ways.
only pa.
Yeah.
Okay. Your family is here also?
My family, Korea.
Only you. Oh, you really like Philippines,
I
huh?
want to build the business here.
How come you like this kind of business?
Yeah.
I like here.
Ah.
Business here.
So this
I'm looking for workers for my business.
workers for
My business.
your
More
business.
business?
What kind of business you
Like
have?
what?
It's pogo in sugar.
Sogo?
Pogo in sugar.
Pogo Sugal. Yes, Pogo Sugal, but Pogo is
Yeah,
already
this one is
banned.
already.
Yes,
Do you know
already
pogo in
banned.
sugar?
Yeah, Pogo is banned already in
Already,
Philippines.
Oh?
Yes,
Huh? Pogo in sugar, you know?
yes,
Yeah.
Pogo Sugal.
What is pogo in sugar?
We heard about that, but this Pogo is already banned
in here in
Philippines
Yeah.
because
This is a pogo and sugar.
Oh,
Pogo
you're
and
so
sugar.
funny.
is it kayo?
You make us laugh with
My
a
God.
joke.
Yeah.
That's
Joke.
your lunch.
Sugar.
Sugar? That's sugal.
Putik.
I heard you sugal. Pogo. That's why we are alarming.
Pogo,
Oh.
sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah, sugar.
To make us happy,
Oh, you
You
happy?
make us laugh, sir.
Yeah.
Mm,
Laughing is the best therapy.
Yeah, that's why I'm here. I like Filipino.
We just thought you're saying it's sugal and pogo. Yun,
Ay,
just like a gambling.
sugar.
Oh, okay, sugar.
Yes.
Because Korean people speaks letter R, it makes them letter L.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
Japanese
I
also
see.
like that.
Okay, so
You know how to speak Japanese?
No,
Okay.
Japanese.
Only
Filipino, salamat po, salamat.
Yeah, salamat po.
Oh, yun.
You teach me Tagalog, get Tagalog.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you wanna learn how to
I
speak
don't know
Tagalog,
what
I want, actually, yeah, I want to learn.
actually, you
Oh,
want
yeah.
me? Would you like me to be
Oh,
your?
yeah, you teach me
No,
Tagalog.
I mean a teacher in Tagalog.
Yeah. Basic Tagalog, yeah.
Yes, basic Tagalog. Like maganda.
Makata, what is Makata?
Maganda.
Beautiful?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
Kamusta?
Mabait.
Kumusta?
Very
How
kind,
are
mabait.
you?
Yeah, salamat po.
Salamat po, thank you. Just like that. Would you like me to?
Sure.
Teach you
Yeah.
Tagalog?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Also, when we have to start. When we will have to start? When?
No,
Now?
yeah, just
Inside
here.
this car?
Yeah, here,
Oh,
now.
but I
You
want
don't have time, no?
Just
No.
basic.
basic.
Like go straight. Yeah, go
I
straight.
thought I
Diretso.
thought you're looking for someone to teach you and you will pay. I'm just
No.
kidding. I'm
Yeah,
just kidding.
even if passenger, yeah, teach me Tagalog. Yeah.
Then
Like car
Kaliwa, kanan.
Yeah, kanan.
Left and right, kaliwa, kanan.
Derecho,
Yeah, chicken
kaliwa.
Straight.
Yeah.
Kaliwa, diba ito? Left, right.
Go straight.
Kaliwa, left,
Kaliwa,
right,
left,
kanan.
kaliwa.
And then derecho
Kaliwa,
is,
kanan.
Ah.
Derecho, straight.
what is derecho?
Straight.
Straight.
Yeah, straight. Yeah, go straight. Yeah.
Go straight. Where do you live here in Philippines?
Actually, I'm originally from North.
North.
Okay. North Korea?
North Fairview.
North
North
Korea.
Fairview.
I live in North Fairview now.
It's still part of Quezon City.
Yeah.
You have your own house or
Hmm?
you're just renting house there?
I'm Oppa.
I'm
Upa.
Oppa house.
How much upa
Hmm?
do you pay? How much upa?
How much? One month.
1
One
month.
month is how
How
much?
much?
Is it 15K?
Yeah,
15K.
You live alone?
With my friend.
Oh, I thought you live alone. So, I will
Korean
ask you to,
also?
I will ask you
Korean
to.
and Filipino. Korean
Okay.
and Filipino. Yeah.
You have friend
I will.
Filipino.
I thought you living alone, and then I will ask you if you would like me to be your maid
You
or
want to
what.
join? You want to join us there?
But with pay, of course.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
you.
No, it's
No, I'm just
kidding.
kidding.
Okay. You're joker. You
Yes,
joker.
I'm a joker, but
Yeah.
not you know.
Yeah, 그런데 what's your name?
I'm a
What's your
good
name?
cook.
Me?
And,
Why?
What?
Is it
You.
friend?
What's your name?
you can call me Mara. I can be your friend also.
Mara. Yeah.
Yes.
반갑습니다. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you more.
Just call me Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Hoon.
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 Spell.
Hoon.
Hoon.
Hoon. Yeah, that's my last name. Hoon.
And
My
your
first
real
name.
name?
That's my last name.
Last name
No,
Hoon.
your
My first name
your
is
first name.
Sutang.
So like
Hoon.
Hon. Sutang Hon.
Hoon Sutang.
Hon Sutang.
Yeah, in Korea, yeah. Hoon
Oh,
Sutang.
first name.
You just
Sutang Hoon.
You just written word only Sutang Hon. Hon Sutang.
Yeah, Hoon Sutang. That's my full name.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Are you not looking for the cook or
Hmm? For
clean your house just like that?
No.
No.
We clean by myself.
Oh, very
My
good.
friend.
Yeah, they have friend
So what kind
Filipino.
of Filipino food do you prefer to eat?
Adobo.
Adobo?
Yeah.
Adobo chicken, adobo baboy?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken,
Okay.
banana.
I thought you are looking for a cook.
Chicken, banana.
No.
Then I can represent myself
Oh,
as your cook.
You're good at cooking?
Yes, I'm a good cook.
Mm.
You can ask that woman beside you. I'm a good cook.
What is your very special?
All
Specialty?
Filipino
Yeah.
food.
Any kind. You just let me know what food would you like to eat, and then I will cook for you.
Like
Yes. Soup
Sinigang.
sinigang. I can also cook soup number 5.
What is the number 5?
It can make you hard.
What?
Yes.
Number 5?
Yes, soup number 5.
And next is number 6.
Ay, much better if the number 6. I'm just kidding. I just wanna make you smile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why a Filipino.
But I'm serious.
You see-
If you are looking for a good cook, I can
I'm
be the
kidding,
one.
but I'm serious.
Do you have a
Number.
Do you have Facebook account? I can be your good friend.
Oh, you really?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm looking for a girlfriend here.
Wow! I can be the one if you want. Just look at me.
Oh,
Would you
yeah.
like me?
What
I
is
can
your-
speak.
What is your name?
Ay,
Mara, you can call me Mara.
Ihanda niyo
Yes.
yung gamot ng tita nyo. Ihanda niyo yung
Patay.
gamot.
Yes,
How
Mara.
old are you, Mara?
Huh?
How old are you, Mara?
Already 50 up.
Oh, you're 50.
But I look like a 40
Oh,
up.
yeah.
No?
Hmm.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, 감사합니다.
Oh,
We're
I thought we
going-
can. What? What?
We're going, you and me, we're going to the north.
North Fairview?
Yeah.
You? Oh, sure.
Sure ka. Isip ka.
Oh, sure.
sure?
Yes. I'm not kidding, ah.
Uy,
But
baka kunin niya yung atay mo.
you,
Tsaka liver
you should not be kidding me also.
Hmm?
Are you serious?
kidney
Yeah, I'm
mo.
serious. Yeah.
I'm also serious. 50-50. Yes.
No,
What?
you're just kidding.
I'm
I
just
think
kidding,
you're,
huh?
I know you're joker.
Yes, I just wanna make you smile.
Oh yeah.
But
Gusto nang kainin ni Marty. yun,
just
dinungaw na.
wanna say thank you for the
Dinungaw na,
ride.
hindi na masaya
Yeah.
na.
But
Here?
mhm.
Ano
Diba?
ba tabayad na to na?
Can I get your number?
My number?
Hmm?
Wow, are you serious? Okay, you can
Magkano? How much?
book.
Hmm? Anong cellphone number niyo po? Anong cellphone number niyo po?
Yung, kala ko talaga Korean. Kala ko talaga Korean.
Suntukin kita eh. English mo pa
Visit
ako.
ka? Gusto mo
Pero
nang
galing
kainin?
mo, ah.
Gusto mo nang kainin?
Wow, mali ako doon na parang sa TV yun ah.
Magkano?
Kilala yata ako ni ma'am. Kilala mo ako ma'am?
Oo naman,
Magkano kuya?
Actually, ako po ay isang content creator,
Ay,
vlogger.
ang galing!
Ayan na, mapopost ka.
Maano mo ako, mapopost mo ako?
So okay lang ba isama ko sa content?
Wag
Oo
na.
naman! Bakit hindi?
Ayan no, camera natin no.
Harap na harap pa yung mukha.
Sinubsob ko pa yung mukha ko dito, no?
Parang gusto mo nang kainin si kuya, sabi ko.
So,
Naano
so
ako
ang
doon ah.
naprank dito ay si ma'am at saka si ma'am
Mara.
Mara. At sa likod hindi, kilala ko.
Eh,
Wey!
di libre na
mo
pamasahe na.
naman! Gana, ano mo ako doon ha?
Na-prank!
Dami niyang camera!
Oo nga, hindi niyo
At least,
napansin.
I can speak English good.
Galing nga eh, galing niya
Okay.
sagutan eh, no? Grabe.
Ito pala siya, oh, anak ko.
Uy, ako din.
So, okay lang ba isama ko sa content?
Oo
Okay lang po?
naman.
Okay lang.
Walang
Di na daw tayo
problema.
magbabayad pag sinama niya.
Ayan,
sa
dahil dyan, it's a free ride.
Wow!
Kasi nagko-content na po ako.
Ay,
Naghahanap na ako ng
ay,
pasaya na.
nakahiningan
Kala
tayo.
ka talagang Koreano.
Oo,
Hindi
tapos
naman
yung
naman.
salita, accent
Oo,
mo.
yun lang, accent lang, pero yung mukha, malayo po.
Pero
Hindi,
nag-adala
kasi
ako dun sa
naka-sunglass ka.
sahon.
Oo.
Sotang. Hon.
Kaya nga sabi ko, binalikad mo lang ha.
Oh, so ayan, baka ayan,
Sotang
shoutout po
hon,
ma'am.
hon,
Baka may
sotang.
shoutout mga kaibigan. Yan.
Ay, sa Dubai kasi galing ako Dubai.
Oo,
Ay,
yan.
hi sa mga friends ko sa Dubai.
Ang dami kong followers dyan.
Na-prank niya ako. Ito.
Hi, I'm looking at
Si ma'am pala,
white
shoutout
man
ma'am. Anong
boyfriend.
pangalan
I
niyo
thought
po?
he's
Ha?
a
Yung
foreigner.
asawa niya nasa Dubai.
Ay, talaga?
Asawa niya, padating
Parang
pa lang.
ano si mama, parang nasa mga stewardess ganun.
Wow.
Tama no?
Hindi yung asawa niya, anak ko, Dubai kami pareho.
Ah.
Uwi na din asawa niya para kakasal na sila.
Wow, congrats. Ayan. Shoutout kay Mister. Kay
Oh,
Mister.
shout out mo daw. Anak!
Ayun.
JJ!
Ay, dali, dali, dali.
Hi.
Ay,
Ayan.
yung dalawang anak ko doon, pamangkin ko sa anak ko pa.
Hi.
Yun.
Kita ka ba?
Daddy!
Mm.
Sige.
Ayan,
Hi doon
thank
sa
you po,
boyfriend
ah.
ko sa Dubai. Kahit
Ayan.
lang. Ipapalo kita.
Yan, thank you
Ay,
po.
ako din, papalo ko na siya.
Ingat po.
May pagyayabang ako
Hi.
na
Salamat,
naka-encounter
ingat.
kami ng vlogger.
Vlogger. Bye-bye, Mara. Ayan. Thank you, mama, sa kasabot, ha?
Kuya.
Galing ng kasabot ko. Yay!
Yeah, thank you.
Ayun mga anak ko.
Na-prank mo sila.
Ba't kayo hindi kasi kasali na prank?
Yeah.
Hindi. Bye.
Bye, thank you.
Yes, kilala ako ni ma'am. Prank malala.
Papanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero, gulat na gulat seryoso. Pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kasada, tawa lang no wonder. Anyong haseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Free rides para sa mga estudyante. Driver na komedyante, lang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate, nahuhuli minsan. Pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat. Seryoso pero di nila alam, ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawanan walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang no wonder. Anyong haseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi kang sa hamida. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid.